Welcome back here to a new video on Punta Cana, all you can see. After all the luxury, we are enjoying the luxury to have nature just so close to our home that we packed everything in the buggy, dogs, food, tent, and escaped for a couple of hours. We're going to stay overnight here. And this beautiful spot, I can't believe that we found this. I've passed by here so many times, but I never stopped here before. And well, normally we go somewhere, but today I was like, hey, I can park the car here. The sand is not too thick. Let's stop. And we found this gorgeous place. It's unbelievable, unbelievable beautiful. Welcome to the Dominican Republic. Let me show you around first. Everybody loves a buggy ride, and Bolle is no different because he can jump in by himself. Of course, he is secured here in his front seat and Edda is in the back. I checked the weather report before to make sure that we have good weather to go on our adventure, and it says 2 days of straight sunshine, and here we are. We're driving direction La Vacama, the beach. Filling up the buggy here at Oviedo Alto at the gas station. And of course, Bolle and me, we did put on something long for the rain. But if you know Dominican Republic, as well you know that the weather doesn't have a contract with any weather report. So just a couple of minutes later, this is how it was. And behind us is driving Bernardo in his own buggy. We couldn't take Charlie because one has to work. So it was just Bernardo, the dogs, and me driving to Playa La Vacama. It's not to miss with this beautiful sign here for a night out. When you drive up the road at the Colmado, you just take a right. There you see it as well where the sign to Arrecife is. And then just follow the road to paradise. I've driven this road here along the beach maybe 1,000,000 times, but never looking for a place to camp. That was a first, driving here and always having an eye out for a place to stop, put the cars and to camp, and I think we found the very, very perfect spot here.
We were carried on the wings of a summer wind that laid us down.
Let me show you that fantastic piece of Dominican Republic that we are making our home for tonight.
Try to have faith, try to be strong, try not to say anything wrong. Try to be brave, try to move on, try to find where you belong. Try to bring change while holding on to who you are and where you're from. You won't always get it right, but you can try. It's so beautiful, this crazy world we live in. Through the joy and through the chaos, it keeps spinning. So if you ever feel your heart is tired of
Do you see the white buoys on the sea over there? These are the local harpoon fishermen coming back with their fish. I think next time we're going to bring a little money to buy a fish when we are lucky enough to see them again. Isn't that just beautiful? This is why we came here, and this is why we stay overnight. Red wine from a stainless steel cup to let the day end. We brought everything: food, some bread, some sandwiches, the wine, the water, and some tea, and of course food for the dogs. In the Dominican Republic, we only have a short twilight from 20 to 30 minutes, maybe. Since we are so close to the equator, the sun sets at a different angle and it gets dark quickly. Having another stainless steel cup of red wine, we're waiting for the stars to show. And I'm very excited. That's the best part of being out. No light pollution, just the stars, the nature, and us. At least that's what we saw before the night fisher showed up. You're never alone in the Dominican Republic. It doesn't matter the time and the place. He actually caught something. We couldn't see what it was, but he was in the ocean with a very strong light and came out with something in his hand. Sure enough, I forgot my mattress. It's safe at home, my air mattress. But I have some cushions from the buggy, and I brought Ole's bed. So actually he could sleep over there, but I think it's too noisy for him. He doesn't like that we camp that close to the ocean. I think it's beautiful. We have a lot of animals in here, I see. Okay, whatever. We go to sleep now. It's late. And I see you in the morning. Buona noche. moment when I ask myself, why can't we wake up here every morning? Hier hoch, Masi. Rechts. Ja, das ist auch schon wach. The only thing that can make a perfect morning even more perfect is a cup of coffee. I bought this little burner here and brought some dry wood from home. Since I'm not smoking, I bought a flint steel lighter that the survival people use to make some fire here. I spare you half an hour trying, but finally we got the fire working and we felt like real cowboys in the Caribbean with our little fire here. Our beautiful campsite here directly at the beach has as well kind of a natural swimming pool just over there. Bernardo is already in the ocean and I will go for a little dip now. Time to pack everything. Let's see if I can get this tent together as it was before. Nope, but it fits anyway. that's it here today from Punta Cana. All you can see, we're on our way back and just hoping that we escape the rain cloud. I hope you liked the video. We had a fantastic stay there at the beach, the best place you could wish for. And yeah, I know a lot of you won't do this kind of adventure. That's not for tourists. But check out the playlist. There are also other excursions that you can guide it or that are not so survival. Yeah, and I think that you will find something that you like. If you like this video, I'm happy if you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and I see you here again on Punta Cana, all you can see, with the next video.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. La casa del merengue, la y la casa de la bachata.